welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to teach you how to export and import DXF file. DXF file is like when client will ask that as per the DXF file they will check the component will be fixed or not. So every time that client will ask this DXF file, so you need to know how to export and import DXF file in PATS layout. Okay, so let's start. For exporting DXF file, go to File, Export, DXF. Okay, uh, this file will automatically will generate where your folder is. Okay, so where you have saved your PCB file, which folder you are saving. In that folder only this file will output will create. Okay, so this folder PCB name I have put crystal tester 04 like that. So this you can change name of this. Okay, some crystal tester is there, suppose you don't want to put that name, so just crystal DXF file, crystal tester, crystal tester tester underscore DXF. Okay, so just save it. So this will come after saving. In this what you have to do, just you need to check the unit, it should be in inches. If it is not in inches, then that error will come, it will not get import to another board, another PCB file. Okay, inches, and then go to setup. Here also you need to change here that inches, because if you are changing inches here and if you are not changing inside that setup thing, then it will not get import and again some error will come. So because I am getting so many errors after long time I am importing and exporting this DXF file, so only I am just saying, just check whether it is in correct format or not. Standard, you have to click here, export type is standard, and inches means DXF file unit should be in inches. Then go to setup file, here should be in inches. Okay, okay, so it will get generated there. Now you want to check, now you want to import this DXF file in this same PCB file. So what you have to do, file, new. Okay, go to file, import, go to that folder, PCB. Here you need to select DXF file. This one I have created. Now open it. Okay, see, it has come. The same DXF thing, water and all is there in the previous. This is the DXF file which we are getting importing here in the new PCB file. Okay, so this is the method we can import, you can export and import DXF file. So that's all in this video. I am my purpose was to teaching exporting and importing DXF file only. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you are not going to subscribe my channel, I'm not getting motivation to create new videos. Okay, I am sharing my knowledge. It will be helpful for those who is very new to this field, who is a student, who want to do their own project. So please like it, subscribe, share with your friends. They will also get to know this tool. Okay, like कर दो यार, subscribe कर दो यार. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot.